channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be taking you thrifting with me. I went to Value Village on this day and I did end up finding one item. I actually found one other item that I didn't pick up. It was a whole set actually that I didn't pick up, and I'm kind of like, I'm regretting it, but at the same time I'm not, because it was a like an what is it, a set of dishes that was ironstone, but they only had 5 of each piece. And I mean, we do have a family of 4, so it totally would have been fine. But if we were to have like any like guests over or anything like that, we wouldn't have been able to use, I mean, I guess you could, it doesn't really matter, but there was only a set of 5. So there's 5 bigger plates, 5 smaller plates, and then like 5 dessert plates and 5 cups or 5 mugs, and I think there was 5 bowls, or might have only been 4 bowls. I feel like one of them was missing a couple pieces because it was a 28 piece set, something like that. Anyways, I kind of regret not picking them up. I know if I were to go now, it would probably be gone. You never know, it could be still there. It was, I think, $27.99. You'll see it in the clips coming up because I did take a little bit of a clip of it. But it is, I can't believe I left it behind because it is ironstone and it was pretty. I mean, it's not like my favorite ironstone like pattern, but it was really nice. And it's the first time I've ever seen like a full set of ironstone like in the wild, basically, other than at like antique stores and stuff like that. But when you're buying them at antique stores, you're definitely paying like a premium price for them. So yeah, I kind of regret it, but kind of don't. And I don't know, it's hard. Like, I keep thinking about it, so obviously I do regret it. But anyways, I went to the thrift store. I did end up buying one thing. But before we jump into the clips of me at the thrift store, I want to say thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a few items that I'm going to share with you guys. And also, if you download the app, I believe it's $100 in coupons that you can get as well with my link. So I'll have my link down in the description box below for you guys. But let's jump into the haul from Temu. Okay, so the first thing that they sent me was this cute little like hanging, like, I guess, I don't know if it's crocheted, I think it's crocheted, knitted like hanging basket. And I think this will be really cute like in the kitchen with I don't know, some fruit or something hanging in there. I mean, it is kind of small, so I guess I couldn't really use it as a fruit one, but I could put some florals in there. But I do love the color of it, and I think it would be really cute in like my kitchen with something like hanging underneath my cabinets with something in it. I'm not sure, but I thought it was really cute, so I picked this out. Okay, so the next item I picked out were these 8x10. It's a pack of 4. And it's these beautiful like landscape scenes, and they are not printed on paper. They're printed on a fabric like canvas, which is really nice because like paintings are done on canvases, but like if I go to like someplace like Etsy or something like that, I print them on paper. So this is kind of nice that it's on like a canvas. So I have this one, and like I said, it did come in a pack of 4. And they're all landscapes. We have this one. And then this one is, I think, my favorite out of all 4. How cute is that? And then this one is a floral piece. And I just thought that these were really cute. And I honestly thought that they were going to come on paper, but they weren't. They were on actual canvases, which is really nice. And it, like I said, it came in a pack of 4. So I got those. Okay, and then the next item I got was this pack of wooden utensils. There's 5 of them. And I actually really like these. These seem like really good quality. And because we are moving soon, I thought it would be nice to have some new utensils. And I actually really like these. I think that these would look really sweet. Like, I have some Crocs that I like to put in next to my stove with my utensils in it, and I think that these will be such a beautiful color of wooden utensils to put in there. I'm actually really impressed with these. I really like these. And like, it came in a set of 5 for not very much, which is really cool. Like, I think that's really awesome. So anyways, I really like these. I love the color of them. I love the way they feel. They feel like good quality. And Temu is cheaper prices, which is amazing. Like I really like these, and I highly recommend these. I will have everything that I picked out linked down in the description box below for you guys as well, because I think these are awesome. I really do like these. Okay, so my next item I actually picked up for my youngest son, Cooper, for his bedroom, and it's this cute little mushroom light. I just thought it was the cutest little thing on the website, and I've been seeing a lot of people like use mushrooms in their kids' rooms as like lamps. Not necessarily these wooden ones, but like ones that have like color on them, like white with the red. But I just thought this was so sweet. But my oldest son saw it and was like, oh, I want that in my room. Because like I said in previous videos, or you would have seen it by now, because the, what was it? The tour video already went up. So we are moving, and we haven't moved yet, but we are moving. We're just getting a lot of work done to the place. But he saw it and was like, I want that. And I was like, oh, okay, well maybe I'll have to order another one for Cooper's room now, because my oldest does want to put this little light in his room, and it's so cute. And you just tap the button there and it lights up, and I just think it's really cute. And it's not like a full button, you just tap it and on and off. So I thought that was really cute, and it does have a charger as well. You have to have a USB block because it does have a USB, and then this little end here goes into the back of the lamp. And there we are. So that is all of the bigger items that I got. But I also want to mention too, because Temu is having their 1-year anniversary sale coming up, so they're gonna have like a $1 section of items that you can choose from. And I actually got a few items from the $1 spot, and I'm going to share those with you. So the first thing I got, it's actually a pack of 3, but I won't take the other ones out of the package. But they're these little silicone funnels, which I wanted for putting spices into my spice containers, because I always have a hard time, and I don't have a funnel, so I just kind of have to do it on my own. But now that I have these little funnels, I can use these to put my spices and whatnot into the smaller spice jars, like my glass spice jars. So I think that these are great. And then I also got this cute little, because we were moving, it is like a X-Acto knife. I guess that's what we call them here in Canada. I'm not really sure. But it's a little knife that you can use to like cut things and things like that. So it's cute. It's like pink and it looks kind of cute. So I got that. And then I also picked out this Safe Cook finger guard, because my husband's fine with cutting vegetables and things like that, but sometimes like I've definitely cut myself cutting vegetables before, so I thought this would be a great thing to have in the kitchen just in case, because you know, my husband has no problem, but for me for some reason I always have issues. And then I also, because we were moving and have to do a lot of cleaning, I got a pack of sponges to help me with cleaning and things like that. So I got a pack of 5 for $1. Or they sent me 5 in there from their dollar section. And yeah, I just wanted them for cleaning. And then I also got this toothpaste holder. Actually, it's upside down. It's actually holds your toothpaste, and then you can put your toothbrush into the bottom and then squeeze out, so that you're not making like a huge mess or, you know, stuff like that. I live with 3 boys, so you know, toothpaste can get all over things. And then I also picked out this nano tape, which is to help not peel paint off the wall and to hang up like pictures and things like that. So we have some nano tape. And then these 2 items, I don't remember picking them, but they were in my box, so I will share them. This one is a, what did it say on the package? I think it was like a something card holder, I think. So that's a card holder. And then we also got some hooks that are kind of like the command hooks, but they're just little brown hooks. And they have like the sticky thing on the back. So like I said, they're like little actually, I do think I did pick these ones because I'm thinking underneath my cabinets to hang up some like things, like this brown bag, for example, like hook it on. to these hooks and just stick them underneath the cabinets. Okay, so that is all to share from Temu, and I want to say thank you again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. And like I said, I'll have all of their information linked down in the description box below. If you download the app, you will get $100 in coupons using my link, which I'll have linked down in the description box below for you guys. And yeah, their 1-year anniversary is coming up, so they will have their dollar section. So yeah, definitely check out Temu if you're interested in any of the items that I got. I actually think like this is such cute quality, and these, I love these. Like I absolutely love like everything that I got. And these cooking utensils, amazing. I think that these are really great quality. So anyways, I'm really excited with all the things that I got. And like I said, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below for you guys. And without further ado, because I've been talking for way too long, let's jump into the clips of me at the thrift store, and then we will come back here and I will show you what I got. Like I said, I only ended up finding one item that I ended up picking up, and I do honestly regret not picking up the ironstone dishes, but maybe the next time I go back they will still be there. Probably not, but I'll definitely check the next time I go. But I did end up finding one item that I did pick up, and it is this little blue and white platter plate, and it was $1.99, and there's no stamp or anything on it, but I just really liked it. And like, I love the blue and white dishes. Everyone kind of knows that. There was a time where that's like all I was buying, but I thought that this would be really good in my bathroom with like a candle and some like a place I could put my rings or like my jewelry, or it could go on my nightstand with a candle and my jewelry. And at the end, sorry, we got cut off because I filmed for too long. Anyways, so like I was saying, I could put a candle on here and my jewelry for at night, or like on my nightstand, sorry, and or I could use it in like my kitchen with my soap and the hand soap, like my dish soap and hand soap. There's just so many ways I could use this. I could even put it on the wall as like if I'm doing like a plate wall. There's just so many things I can use this for. And like I said, I love blue and white dishes. I love the brown and white dishes. I also love the green and white and the red and white. I'm just gonna have a whole collection here soon. Right now I only have blue and white and a couple pieces of brown and white, but I really want to get some red and white for Christmas. Like that is like my goal, is to get some red and white for Christmas time. Actually, when I was at the antique store in Nova Scotia, he had so much red and white, and I was like, oh my god, if I wasn't flying, I probably would have bought so much of it, because I just love it. I just love it. And yeah, I just think it's great for at Christmas time. And yeah, anyways, eventually I will get there. But I did find this blue and white plate. It was $1.99 and I really liked it, and I cannot wait to start decorating my new home with all of my finds that I have found since living at my mom, and all of my new Temu stuff, like these photos, and then like my utensils. Yeah, I'm super excited to like get into our new home and start decorating and start doing some DIYs. Like I've said, I'll actually in the next video probably show you some updates that we're doing. We have already done the boys' rooms. They're completely finished. I didn't film them because I just wanted them finished so that we could move in. Like everything else is still like not done. We only focused on the boys' rooms so that I wouldn't have to like move them around or move their furniture out once we moved in. So their rooms are completely done. They're painted, the trim's painted, they have new flooring, because we were gonna keep the carpet, but we couldn't get the carpet stink out. Like it was such a bad smell and I couldn't get it out. And as soon as we took the carpet out, like the smell was gone. So I knew it was the carpet. I carpet cleaned it. I put that baking soda carpet cleaner in it and let it sit for a couple hours before I vacuumed it. Like I tried so many things, but carpet just hoards everything. Like it doesn't, yeah. Anyways, so we ended up ripping it out and putting down laminate flooring in their bedrooms because we just couldn't get rid of the smell. Anyways, so yeah, at least their rooms are done. I didn't film them because we just really wanted to get them done before we moved in, and we are starting to get ready to move here probably next week. I don't know when this video is going to go up, so we may have already moved in by the time this video goes up, but yeah, it's exciting. Exciting things are happening. I cannot wait to get in there and start decorating and filming all my DIYs and stuff. I'm just like super pumped about it. But anyways, like I said, I will link everything for Temu down in the description box below for you guys. And yeah, that's all I have to share with you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please get a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. And definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy DIY videos, thrifting videos, decorating videos. I do lots of that type of content here on this channel, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.